The SpaNet Keypad is the place to control the main features of your spa, such as filtration and lighting. In this video, I will point out the main keypad functions on the SV Mini 1 as you start to familiarise yourself with the SpaNet controllers. The Vortex Gemini uses the SV Mini 1 controller. I'll briefly talk you through the buttons on the SV Mini 1 keypad by taking you in a clockwise direction. We have the up and down buttons, the OK button, pump A button, the auxiliary button, the on and off light button, and up the top here we also have the auto mode LED, heater on LED, and the sleep cycle LED. The top side keypad function buttons such as the pumps and lights will be lit with a green LED light to clearly indicate when the accessory is on. The three functions at the top here will light up with a red LED light to indicate the current status of the spa. The auto LED indicator turns on when the spa is in automatic filtration mode. This means the pump used for filtration will turn on and off to meet the heating and filtration requirements. If the filtration pump is manually turned on or off, then the auto LED turns off. Please note, the control will automatically return to auto mode after a 45-minute timeout period if the function is not changed back to auto mode. The heater LED indicator turns on when the heater element is active. The heater is automatically controlled and will turn on and off as required. This works in conjunction with the filtration pump to maintain the set water temperature. There are two notes to keep in mind. Firstly, if the filtration pump is manually turned off, the heater will not operate. Secondly, in some configuration cases, activating high speed on a 2-speed pump or operating multiple pumps will cause the heater to load shed and turn off, even if heating is required, to keep the system within its rated supply. The sleep cycle LED indicator turns on when the spa control is within a designated sleep cycle, if this is set. When the sleep cycle is activated, all automatic system operations will stop, so the spa is silent. Filtration and heating will not take place during this time. Important control functions such as filtration require the date and time to be set correctly on the keypad. Please ensure the date and time is set before you start operating your spa. To do this, press the down button to select time on the display mode. Then press OK to enter the date and time adjustments. The required adjustments will appear in the order of time, 24-hour or 12-hour, year, month, date, weekday, hours, and minutes. You only need to use the up, down, and OK button to make these changes. The display will then revert back to the default display mode. A few important tips to keep in mind. The SV Mini 1 factors in leap years. However, the system does not automatically adjust for daylight saving times. You will need to adjust the time manually. In the event that the mains power turns off, the date and time clock has a capacitor backup and will hold the date and time for you. This will last between 8 to 12 hours. If the power remains off longer than this period, then the date and time will need to be manually set again. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can head to the Spa World Learning Centre. To learn the next step in the Vortex Spa setup guide, click the following link displayed at the end of this video.